Hi there guys. In today's video we're going to be looking at the blockout feature in VinylCut 5. Let's just have a quick intro video here. So today's video and more videos like this can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We have quite a variety of different software we cover, and we do upload videos daily, so just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise we head back in the program here. So now yeah, let me just quickly undo this and then we can start the tutorial. Okay, so now let's say you've got your text or something in your design, or you've got some form of vector shape and you want to add another one over it, but take the shape of the bottom layered vector. So in this case we want to put the smiley over the text that says smile, and just keep in mind the bottom text, that will be your primary shape, and the text on top of it will only take the color from that shape. So that the order of your layers are quite important. So if we just group these, so we've got on the right here, you can see we've got one layer, that is our text. So now if we want to import the graphics, we want to go to on top here to import. Then we navigate to our vector graphics. In my case it will be the smiley face. Then you can just I'll change my color just so it's more complementary, something like yellow, rotate it and throw it here over the design. So now next thing you want to do is so like I said, now you can see on the right here on the layers panel, the smiley is on top of the text. So now next what we want to do is select all the objects we want to use as a blockout. So we drag our selection block over it. Remember, if we're only selecting a piece of it, nothing will be selected, or if we only select the smiley and not the full text, then only the smiley was selected. Another pro tip is you can just keep shifting and select even just over a portion of both of them, and I'll select both. Then in any case, so then to do the effect, we want to go on top here to effects. Then we go down to blockout. Now on this blockout pop-up menu, you will see we have an option called gap, and then we have a preview. So if we click preview, it will generate us a preview of how that looks like. And then so you can adjust it, and if you don't like it, otherwise the gap here, if we make a, say a 0.05, this is millimeters, so let's make it about 2 millimeters. Then if we click preview, you can see it actually makes a little gap here between all our designs. It can also sometimes look quite nice. Then once you're done with that, you just click OK, and then now you will see it is you can no longer edit the text and so forth. So it's kind of a one design. Okay. Anyway, so now if we hit, you can now obviously group this all together. Select it and use your shortcut key for Control G, or you go on top here to object and then you go group. And now if you move it, or move it as one graphics. Let's just quickly head to our website here. So now if you navigate to softwaretraining.co.za, you can find videos like this, and then you'll see we've got quite a variety of different software we do cover. If you're looking for anything specific, just go on top here on the search option, and then if you don't find what you're looking for, you want something specific that we don't cover yet, just request a training video and then we'll make it for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.